Hello friends, in this video we are going to write and learn very short and easy speech on 150 years of Vande Mataram. Raise your voice loud and clear, Vande Mataram we all cheer. Good morning respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Pooja. Today I am going to deliver a speech on 150 years of Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is one of India's most inspiring patriotic songs. It was written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. During India's freedom struggle, this song filled people with courage, unity, and love for the nation. Even today, it reminds us to respect our country and work for its progress. As we celebrate 150 years of Vande Mataram, let us promise to be honest, kind, responsible, and proud citizens of India. I would like to end my speech by saying Vande Mataram, Jai Hind, thank you.